Zen Buddhist master Thich Nhat Hanh, also known as Thay, who is credited with being the father of mindfulness in the West, has developed a checklist of actions we can take to ensure not only that we stay in balance, but also are able to see our work in the context of creating a better world. Zen mindfulness is the art of bringing our full attention to the present moment, starting with awareness of our breath. This allows us to experience life without being caught up in the past or worrying about what might happen in the future. In fact, he believes that the desperation to succeed at all costs helps fuel our voracious economic system, which in turn is leading to climate change and the destruction of ecosystems and biodiversity. Besides, there are many kinds of stress and trouble in our workplace. Now, it is a challenge to bring mindfulness or be mindful. And that's why Thich Nhat Hanh talks about our 15 exercises that we can use to bring mindfulness to our workplace or to be mindful. So today I will try to tell you about those exercises one by one in this video. So let's get into it. Start your day with 10 minutes of sitting in meditation. Take the time to sit down and enjoy eating breakfast at home. Remind yourself every day of your gratitude for being alive and having 24 brand new hours to live. Try not to divide your time into my time and work. All time can be your own time if you stay in the present moment and keep in touch with what's happening in your body and mind. There is no reason why your time at work should be any less pleasant than your time anywhere else. Resist the urge to make calls on your cell phone while on your way to and from work or on your way to appointments. Allow yourself this time to be with yourself, with nature, and with the world around you. Arrange a breathing area at work where you can go to calm down, stop, and have a rest. Take regular breathing breaks to come back to your body and to bring your thoughts back to the present. At lunchtime, eat only your food and not your fears or worries. Don't eat lunch at your desk. Change environments. Go for a walk. Make a ritual out of drinking your tea. Stop work and look deeply into your tea to see everything that went into making it. The clouds and the rain, the tea plantations, and the workers harvesting the tea. Before going to a meeting, visualize someone very peaceful, mindful, and skillful being with you. Take refuge in this person to help stay calm and peaceful. If you feel anger or irritation, refrain from saying or doing anything straight away. Come back to your breathing and follow your in and out breath until you have calmed down. Practice looking at your boss, your superiors, your colleagues, or your subordinates as your allies and not as your enemies. Recognize that working collaboratively brings more satisfaction and joy than working alone. Know that the success and happiness of everyone is your own success. Express your gratitude and appreciation to your colleagues regularly for their positive qualities. This will transform the whole work environment, making it much more harmonious and pleasant for everyone. Try to relax and restore yourself before going home so you don't bring accumulated negative energy or frustration home with you. Take some time to relax and come back to yourself when you get home before starting on household chores. Recognize that multitasking means you have never fully present for any one thing. Do one thing at a time and give it your full attention. At the end of the day, keep a journal of all the good things that happened in your day. Water your seeds of joy and gratitude regularly so they can grow.